Subscribe to Grazia and press on the bell icon.
Hi guys, Sanjana here, beauty editor at Grazia India, and today I'm going to be talking about one of my most favorite topics, which is about skincare. I feel like all the girls out there can relate to me when I talk about our constant need to find that glowing, healthy, well-rested baby skin. Now, it is tough, I agree, but I feel like over my period of trying, testing and swatching products, I have realized that there are two things that work really well for your skin. One is investing in the right products, and second is consistency. It doesn't matter if you're into 14-step routines or 3-step routines. If you follow it through for 3 months, 6 months, depending on what your skin is asking for, it really works. There have been so many times I have indulged myself and experimented with my skin just to try and see what the hype was all about. I feel like I have come to the conclusion that using the right products is key, and I cannot exaggerate enough on that. One such recent find for me actually has been Palmolive skincare, and when I tried the brand, one thing I realized and I loved about the brand is they have no parabens, no silicones, and use only 100% naturally derived extracts. So it's already a win-win for me and my skin when using products by Palmolive. Now I have a few of my favorites listed here, so we are going to get right into it. As you can see, I have two ranges here. One is the Brightening range and one is the Hydrating range. I'm going to start with one of my most favorite product, which is the Palmolive Brightening Foam Face Wash. I generally have a personal bias towards foam face washes because I feel like when I see the lather on my face, I feel squeaky clean. I also love the fact that it is very lightweight, and with one wash you can actually find your skin feeling very soft. It has a lovely mix of Kesar and Roman chamomile essential oil. Why I love the mix is because while Kesar works as an antioxidant and works on pigmentation, the Roman chamomile essential oil works on soothing the skin and is more helpful in terms of any infections that you might get. Pump out a few squeezes of the face wash, rub it into your palms, apply it onto your wet face and rinse your face, and that's about it. So it makes for a great addition to your morning and evening skincare routine. You must try it out. The second product I have here is from the same brightening range, which is the Palmolive Brightening Souffle Face Scrub. It is a great mix of Kesar and Roman chamomile essential oil, so the ingredients for the face wash and the scrub are the same. This helps exfoliate the skin while this helps clean your skin. I feel like exfoliation is again a key step in any skincare routine, mainly because we live in an atmosphere of dirt, pollution, dust, grime, so we are bound to have clogged pores. The microbeads in the souffle scrub help get rid of all of it. It leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy. So I would say it's one of those gentle scrubs and exfoliators out there. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and not more. This could be like your self-care activity at the end of the night after a long hard day at work. But definitely get your hands on this. Second range I have here is the Hydrating range. My first pick from the range is the Palmolive Hydrating Face Wash with Multani Mitti and Lavender Essential Oil. While Multani Mitti does its job of cleansing the skin really well, the Lavender Essential Oil in it works as a skin restoring agent, and it purifies the skin and works on giving you like moisturized, healthy, supple skin. This again is lightweight because it's gel based and it works for all skin types. Everyone can try it out because it's naturally made with 100% natural extracts, so you have nothing to worry about. Again, you can use it every single day. Do try it out. Now the last product I have here with me from the Hydrating range is the Hydrating Face Mask with Multani Mitti and Lavender Essential Oil. I love the fact that it's pink in color, but besides that, it's a buttery formula, so it doesn't dry your skin out. It locks in skin's natural moisture and it hydrates the skin really well. It is dermatologically tested. It is made from 100% natural extracts. It's one of those pampering sessions you would like to indulge in even on a Sunday, right? So this is your friend for that me time. I would say all in all, Palmolive Skincare is a dermatologically tested brand. It comes with no silicones, no parabens, 100% natural extracts, and it is suitable for all skin types. So I feel like if you haven't tried Palmolive yet, you're missing out on good skincare. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope it was helpful. Do let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.